So I got to be a part of a conversation not too long ago that was actually very interesting. And I think it needs to be addressed. And it happens with leadership and management and all that stuff, and big organizations especially. So I'm listening to a call how a salesperson and someone in finance were kind of going head to head on something. And the finance person said, well, you do realize we all work for our manufacturing plants. And the salesperson got ticked off. I mean, really mad, saying, well, we're the salespeople and we drive the organization forward and they work for us. So here's the problem. When we start having these kind of conversations and who works for who, well, that drives silos in an organization. And that's where the collaboration basically gets crumpled up and thrown out the window. So we really need to have a collaborative approach. Nobody works for anybody. If you're actually in a company that is traded on the stock market, well, guess what? We work for the shareholders, all of us together. If we're a small business that's owned by private investors or private people, like a family business, well, guess what? We actually work for them. So whether we're in manufacturing, operations, human resources, sales, marketing, nobody works for anybody. We all have to work together. And when we have a collaborative approach and really talk together, understand when we make business decisions, it's on the P&L, what's the profitability that we can make, how much does it really cost to make this, what is the market going to bear for this product, that's when we're going to be successful. If we say somebody's working for another part of the organization, we're going to fail. So we really need to be intentionally to gather everybody and take our pride and set it aside. All right? We'll see you next time.